Eds Egg by David Bedford and Karen Sepp. Retold by Matthew.
Ed loved his egg so much he jumped in it all day long until finally his egg cracked in half. Ed was fixing his egg. Ed saw some frogs. He decided to start splashing around with the frogs. The frogs floated and flopped back and forth for a long time. Ed was rolling around with some mice. Ed saw his mom for the very first time. Will Ed ever find any of his other family members? Read Ed's Egg at the Hoover Library to find out if he ever meets any of his other family members.